Good morning, family. It's been a long time since I uploaded, but just looking at the little Chi Sparrows and the Ravens getting their food. There's so many of them. I don't know if y'all can see them. And how to actually look with all of them flying around everywhere. It was way more than this. Oh well. It's beautiful to see them all fly around everywhere. So that's it. Not gonna keep the video too long. Just feeding the birds. That's all. What made me feed them is I normally feed them every morning, but they say you ain't on time this morning. It came like, one of them came like right there and then flew to where I normally throw the food at. So I said, okay, that's the car right there. They saying they hungry. Woman, you ain't moving fast enough. All right. Y'all have a blessed, prosperous day. Love and light.